Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to highlight and contour your face. So I already have my foundation done. I already did the brows, so I'm just going to go right into the video on how to highlight and contour your face. Do well to subscribe and turn on your notification icon. So here I'm going to be taking my LA Pro concealer of 2 shades lighter than her skin tone. I'm applying it under her eyes and just at the end of her eyes, just in small quantity because that is the trending way. Okay, so if she was darker in complexion, I would have most likely used a darker concealer, because you have to use a concealer about 2 shades lighter than our skin tone, and for the highlight and for your contour 2 shades darker than the skin tone. So one concealer does not fit for all skin colors. So I applied it on her forehead, on her nose bridge, on her cupid bow, and on her jaw. So I'm going to be applying the contour here now. I'm applying it on her cheekbone area. You can see that place has a shadow. So basically what we are doing is we're just enhancing those, like we are working to sculpt those shadows. I don't know if you get me, but contouring gives the illusion that that place is looks smaller. So um maybe not every time or not for every face you may need to do the same kind of contour. For example, if the person has a very small forehead or an oblong forehead, you may not want to contour the sides of her forehead. Okay, so now I'm contouring the sides of her nose just to give it that illusion of a pointed nose. You can see it, and I'm also contouring her, the crease of her eyes. So I'm taking my beauty blender and I'm just going to be dabbing it and blending them out. If you're applying blush, your liquid blush, you want to start out with your blush first, but I'm just going to show you how I highlight and contour the face basically. So sorry, there was like a power outage here and I had to switch positions because of the lighting. So please bear with me. So I am just blending out all the highlighting. Please, if you've gotten to this point, please do well to like this video, subscribe, and turn on your notification icon so whenever I drop a new video, you would be the first to see it. Also, leave in the comment how this video was helpful to you, and if you would like me to do a particular video, I'd like to hear it in the comment section also. So I already blended out the contour. I finished blending out the highlighting, then I also blended out the contour, and I'm just also blending out the contour on the nose, and you can see the final look. You can see how it's giving already a sculpted face. Remember, you don't want to add, that's why I said it has to be 2 shades, because if you add way too dark colors, her face is going to look plastered. Okay, so I'm applying my setting powder just to set the concealer in so it doesn't crease. So then I applied my finishing powder of her skin tone, and I'm just blending it out everywhere. Can you see the finished look? So hey guys, stay tuned for more videos. Do well to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Stay tuned for more videos like this. This is the finished look. Bye.